Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have essential prerequisites ready: a charged Urban watch and your phone with Bluetooth on. First, install the Urban Companion app. It handles firmware and settings. Next, power the watch and put it into pairing mode. Hold the main button until the pairing screen appears. On your phone, open the app, choose Pair a Device, and follow the on-screen prompt. Make sure you accept location and Bluetooth permissions when requested, because the app needs them to find and link your watch. Once the app detects your watch, authorize the connection, tap Pair, and confirm any codes shown on both devices. You'll need to grant permissions, notifications, location, and health access if you want activity syncing. Sign into or create an account so settings and data sync to the cloud. After pairing, check for firmware updates. Install them now because updates fix bugs and enable new features. While the update runs, do not close the app or move the devices far up. To finish, customize watch faces and notification rules so the Urban shows what matters to you. Sync contacts and set quick actions. These changes push instantly once you save them in the app. Then test core functions, where the watch and record a short walk to verify steps, heart rate, and GPS accuracy. If something goes wrong, restart your phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth, and try pairing again. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on the watch and repeat pairing as a clean start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.